Hello and welcome back to Girl Gone Natural Homestead channel. I have been growing things I have been germinating seeds in bags. And so I wanted to come on and show how I did this and just to actually open some of the bags and see if anything has happened while we were waiting. So these I started on, I put in the bag, this one on 6-1, this is mango, this is ginger, put them in the bag, and watermelon on 6-1, and then I have a pink lady apple seed that I put into the bag on 6-3. And this is turmeric, and this is also ginger. And I actually started these about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And so as you can see on the ginger plant here, we are definitely getting some activity on the bottom of the plant as well that has been touching the water. We're definitely getting some activity. And I actually did a number of pieces. A couple of them are starting to mold on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in the dirt to see if we can go ahead and get better activity without having mold on them. But this one is fine. A few more that I have over there is fine. And this turmeric is actually, let's put it closer, is actually growing stems. It's growing roots. Okay. So I'm going to let that sit for a couple more days maybe, and then that will go into the dirt as well. So the first one I wanted to open is the mango. And I actually didn't use the mango I had. I actually bought these from Etsy. I bought like 4 of them. And I should have just used, a mango that I had, but it's done. And so there's a little, it looks like it may be producing, starting to produce a root system on this end of it. So I'm going to leave that alone and allow it to sit for another couple of weeks. And I may even change this paper towel on it, but that is the mango. So we are 8 days in, 9 days in, and we have a little activity. So the ginger I have not opened at all, so I wanted to see if doing the ginger in a small container versus this bag, trying to see which would actually germinate faster. So I'm just doing a variety of things in different ways to see what type of results that I get. All right, and let's see what we got here. Oh, this is happening much faster inside the paper towel. So I think what I'm going to do is add more ginger to paper towels and germinate this way instead of allowing them to sit out over the water. Now this one has been out, as I said, a lot longer, sitting in the water a lot longer than this one has been in the paper towel, and look at the difference. That's a huge difference. So I'm definitely going to be using this method, but I'm going to go ahead and plant this since it has given me some results. This is the pink lady apple. Now I had an apple tree about 10 years ago in my yard, and I moved and left the apple tree. And I really, even during the time that I had it, I wasn't getting great results. All right, and so this is actually germinating, as you can see there. Let me try to get it close. It's actually germinating. So the seed is opening up. And this, I've never done this before, so I wanted to test it and kind of see what I get, because this is something new to me. I would say I haven't done it since I was in like elementary school, so I will close that one back and let it sit for another couple of weeks. But I'm glad to see that. And now this was the only one that, as you can see, the watermelon, it already has a root. And I can't remember how many seeds I put in here, maybe 2 seeds. So let's take a look. I was really happy to see that. It's growing all through this tissue. And I hate to be breaking the root. But it has literally, and this was on 6/1. So it has literally grown all these roots. And let's see how many seeds were in here. Yes, so that is 3 seeds. Four seeds, actually. Okay, so there's 1. So there are 4 seeds, and I'm really trying not to destroy this root. So I'm going to go ahead and plant these. I feel like if they've done this well, yep, there were 4 seeds total. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So I feel like if they've done this well in the tissue, then they will do even better in the soil. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not already subscribed, please do so and help us get to 1,000 subscribers. It is June 2020 already, and we are growing as much as possible. And so thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. And I will do an update on these in the future.